Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, and my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now I have a demonstration video for you, which is all about creating apps, and the product is called Appimize, and this product is launching on Monday, 9th of August at 11 a.m. EST. I will be putting this video onto a bonus page, which will be in the description below this video, and you can take a look at my bonus page, which is on my website. So the next thing that we're going to look at is the demonstration from the product creator, and this is all about Appimize.
Alright, so I'm going to log in now and demonstrate the insane power of Appimize. And in less than 2 minutes, you're going to see me build a stunning mobile app for a local business who can charge $1,000 to, including monthly residuals. And you don't need any coding skills or experience. I'm going to show you how simple it really is. Now what I'm going to do to make this even more challenging is put a countdown timer here so you can see how I'm able to do all this literally in under 2 minutes flat. Okay, so I'm logged into the dashboard and you'll instantly notice it's all clean, simple to navigate and very user friendly. Now I'm going to pick a template, and as you can see there's 100 stunning ready-made templates to choose from in the hottest niches. Fully customizable with unlimited flexibility to create the perfect app that people would happily pay thousands of dollars for. Alright, so let's start the clock. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose this barber template. There's a nice preview of the app before I select. So I just give my app a name and then click next. Okay, stop the clock. As you can see, it literally took me a few seconds to do that. I'm now on the live interactive app editor, which allows you to customize and build your app the way that you want in just mere minutes. The point and click technology makes it so easy and fast to create jaw-dropping apps like a pro. Now as you can see, for this barber template, everything is done for me. I only need to change out the logo and a few other fields like the business name, location and contact info, and then it's done. Now moving on to step 2, I just need to customize the app to my style. So let's start the clock again. So I'll just edit a few text fields here, changing the barbershop name to JJ's Barber, then change the background image, and then add a YouTube video in, and there's full flexibility to be able to change everything to how I need it. Okay, stop the clock. As you can see, it's so easy and intuitive for me to customize this template to my client, and there's so much more you can do with Appimize that will blow you away. You can easily add text, pictures, videos, audios, opt-in forms, and other powerful features to your app without worrying about any code. Appimize is 100% newbie friendly and super simple to use. Okay, so I'm going to start the clock again, and this time I'm going to add a booking system to this so that people can book their appointment times automatically through the appointment planner, saving time for the business owner to do it all manually. Okay, stop the clock. As you can see, in about a minute I was able to fully customize my mobile app and see all my changes in this stunning live interactive preview editor. You know, there is so much more awesome features that I haven't even covered here for the sake of demonstration purposes, as I wanted to show you how easy and simple it is to get up and running fast. You can point and click elements with ease. It would have costed you thousands of dollars to hire out a developer to create a mobile app like this. However, Appimize pumps them out for you with just a few clicks. Alright, so all I need to do now is click publish and I'm done. And since Appimize is built upon PWA technology, it bypasses the app approval process and allows you to instantly share your app with everyone without any restrictions or limits. With other app builders, you have to go through a long, tedious approval process, and your app just gets lost with all the other millions of apps. As you can see, I now have a fully responsive mobile app that works and views perfectly across all devices, ready to go viral. I could easily charge this barbershop client $1,000 to $2,000 for just 2 minutes worth of work. Pretty mind blowing, huh? So now moving on to the last step on engaging app users. Now Appimize has push notifications built in, so you can experience open rates of up to 90% by instantly mass broadcasting push notification messages to all the people that have downloaded your app. So let's start the clock again, and all I do is click on notification, enter in my title, message, upload the icon image, and then enter in a link. This could be a promotional link or anything that you want. I could then send this right now to everyone, or schedule this to be sent at a specific time and date. Click schedule and I'm done. So let's stop the clock, and boom, we're done. My app is now live, fully functional and ready to be used by my client. I'm pretty sure this barbershop will happily pay me month after month as they start getting more customers in using the app and making bookings. On top of all that, Appimize will host the mobile apps for you at no extra cost. Other softwares charge you yearly subscriptions and monthly fees just to host one app alone. So you could even charge clients a monthly maintenance fee on top, since Appimize handles the hosting for you. Honestly, it cannot get any easier than this. Look what I've done in just 2 minutes. I've gone out there just as promised, created a stunning mobile app for a barbershop, fully customized, published and engaged to produce results. And that's just the insane power of Appimize. Simply pick a template, customize to your style, hit publish, and your app is live. No coding skills or app store approvals required. So you don't ever have to worry about paying sky-high monthly fees on other useless app builders and services. Wasting many weeks and months of your time buying 5 different tools to do what Appimize does all in one. Trial and error and hoping to get results, or wasting money on developers, designers and freelancers. Appimize does all the heavy lifting for you with just a few clicks of the mouse, so you can focus on enjoying your life